Hi, welcome again to one video with Wice World English. And the level today is high, intermediate, or advanced. And remember that if this is the first time you see one of my videos, below in the section of comments you will see a link with access to all the videos organized by levels and categories. The topic today is coordinating conjunctions, okay, or also called coordinators, or as we know them, we also know them as the fanboys. And this is part 2 of coordinating conjunctions that are not very used or not very typical or not very common to find them in basic levels. Let's go. Okay, as you remember, the fanboys are all of them, right? For, no, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And we use this to connect two clauses. We use all the fanboys to connect two clauses. Remember that, two clauses. And remember that all of them require that you use a comma before the coordinator, okay? So remember, two clauses. Okay, when do we use so? Very easy, very simple. You'll probably remember this from basic level. We use so for a cause and a consequence, or a cause and an effect, right? The first part of the sentence is the cause and the second part is the effect. For example, I work too much. If I work too much, what would be the consequence? So I usually feel tired, right? I work too much, so I usually feel tired. I work too much, consequently, I usually feel tired. And remember that we said that we are using two clauses. So as you can see, we always have two subjects and two verbs, right? Remember that, keep that in mind. And remember the correct punctuation. Always, we always use a comma with one of the fanboys. All right. So now this is a moment when we can practice very fast, okay? You have the first part of a sentence, right? And I want you to complete with a logical clause, okay? So pause the video and give me at least 4 ideas. Okay, I hope you have paused the video and let me share with you some possible answers. Let's see. I have a very difficult exam, so I won't go to the party. I have a very difficult exam, so I need to study a lot. I have a very difficult exam, so I will review all the material. I have a very difficult exam, so I'm going to call a friend to help me. Okay, when do we use yet? That's the question, right? So or yet. Okay, I am very tired, so logically, what is the consequence of this? So I will take a nap, right? If I am tired, of course, I will take a nap, right? That would be the logical consequence. So we use so to talk about a normal consequence, a normal effect, okay? Right? So, I mean, that makes sense, right? I am tired, so I will take a nap. It makes sense. Now, when do we use yet? We use yet, for example, look at the example there. I am very tired. The logical thing is to take a nap. But look at this. I am very tired, yet I will continue working. You see, so we use yet for something that is not, I mean, is a result, is an unexpected result, is not the normal consequence, is something unexpected, right? Like the example, if you are tired, you take a nap. But if you are tired, okay, oh, well, you're going to continue working. No, that's not something that would be the normal consequence. Okay, so that is the difference between so and yet. So or yet. Okay, look at these sentences now. We have two sentences. Think about it for a moment and think which one would be completed with so and which one would be completed with yet. Think about it. You got it? Okay, the first one. If the person didn't study for the test, what would be the logical sequence of events, the logical result? that he got a bad grade, right? So he got a bad grade. Now, well, look at the second one. He didn't study for the test. He got a good grade. Is that what was expected? No, that was unexpected, right? So we use yet. Remember, so is a normal consequence, normal effect. Yet is an unexpected result, right? You didn't expect that. Okay, let's practice. Here you have some sentences. I want you to pause the video again and complete the sentences with so or yet. I hope you have paused the video, and now let's check the answers. Let's see the first one. Linda exercises a lot, so she's in good shape. Henry practices a lot, yet he hasn't improved with the violin. John exercises and eats healthy food, yet he hasn't lost weight. Mary studies a lot, so she is the first in her class. Paul trained a lot, yet he lost the race. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if you like it, please support me with like, share the video with your friends, and you know what, continue following me in Wice World English. And remember that you can follow me in all these places, right? Especially I recommend that you also follow me in Facebook and Instagram, especially in Facebook, because sometimes we have some surprises there. And in the near future we will have some videos with TikTok, but we're working on that. Thank you very much for following me in Wice World English. I will see you in future videos. Bye.